Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be reading a book, and our book is titled One Snowy Night. Oh, this looks like it's going to be a cute little book. We see a hedgehog, and he is wearing a red hat. Our book was written by M. Christina Butler, and the pictures were by Tina McNaughton. Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I am an AAC therapist, and I have been for the past 9 years. And I will be providing aided language input using the LAMP Words for Life word wall poster from PRC while reading this book. I'll also be demonstrating some shared reading techniques, such as making comments while reading the book as well. All right, so let's open our book and start reading. The cold wind woke little hedgehog from his deep winter sleep. It blew his blanket leaves high up into the air, and he shivered in the snow. Suddenly, something fell from the sky. I wonder what would come down from the sky. If we look, we can see some snow falling down. Maybe that's it. Or it could be something different. Let's turn and we will find out. Thud. It was a present, and it had his name on it. It says, "To Little Hedgehog, with love from Father Christmas." That's another name for Santa. Oh, inside was a red woolly hat, hedgehog size. That means it's little like him. He put it on at once, and he pulled it to the back, and then he pulled it to the front, to one side and then to the other. But his prickles, those are the spikes on his back, they got in the way every time. Now the hat was stretched far too big for a little hedgehog. He wrapped it up again, tore a piece off the label, and he wrote on the rest. And then off he ran to Rabbit's house. I wonder what's he gonna do with the hat at Rabbit's house. Rabbit was out, so he left the present on his doorstep. It was snowing hard as little hedgehog tried to find his way back home. Uh-oh. I hope he gets home okay. Rabbit squeaked with delight when he saw the present. "A woolly hat," he cried, "for me." He tried the hat on with his ears inside, then outside. He pulled it this way and that way. But his ears, they got in the way every time. By now, the hat was far too big for Rabbit, so he took it to Badger. They keep passing on the gift, don't they? Whenever it's too big for them, they think of somebody else who might benefit from it. And then they're going to be nice and give it to them. What about that?" said Badger, looking in the mirror. "Very nice," said Rabbit. "What did you say?" asked Badger. "Very nice," yelled Rabbit, hopping off. "Don't you like it?" asked Badger, turning around. But Rabbit had gone. "I can't use this hat," Badger said. "I can't hear a thing." So Badger wrapped up the present and he marched off to Fox's house. Wow, so Hedgehog has had the hat, Rabbit, Badger, and now he's going to try and give it to Fox because it keeps getting bigger. Fox was going out exploring. "What's this?" he asked Badger grumpily. "A Christmas present? Why would I want a Christmas present?" But when Fox saw the cozy red hat, he made 2 holes for his ears and put it on. Pleased, he went on his way. The fields twinkled in the moonlight. Fox followed a small trail this way and that way until suddenly it stopped. There was something under the snow. What could be under the snow? Fox, he dug and he dug until he found the small little hedgehog. It was cold and it did not move. "Poor little fellow," said Fox. He put the hedgehog inside the woolly hat and he carried it to Rabbit's house. Rabbit and Badger were having supper. "Look what I found in the snow," cried Fox, bursting in. Oh, so the hat kind of made a full circle, didn't it? It went from Hedgehog to Rabbit to Badger to Fox, and now Fox is using it again for the hedgehog. It was too little for his head, but it was just big enough to keep his whole body warm. "It's my friend, little hedgehog," cried Rabbit. He must have gotten lost going home in the snow. "Hello," said little hedgehog sleepily. "Oh, this is such a lovely warm blanket." Said Badger. "I think this woolly hat is just right for little hedgehog." "Merry Christmas, little hedgehog," they all cried, but little hedgehog was fast asleep. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed reading today's story. If you did like it, please let me know by leaving a comment or liking it down below. And if you would like to see other videos where I read books and provide aided language input, you can check out those videos over here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.